Hi, we're at Couples Negril on Bloody Bay. We're showing you a deluxe garden view room, 2102. Come on in. This is an entry-level room, but you'll find the floor, everything nice. The rooms are very similarly decorated. Really beautiful, clean tiles. What kind of colors out of it?
It's like an aqua gray.
Yeah, it's neat.
It's very soothing colors.
Yeah. Basic room, king size bed. You got your mini fridge in there, and you do a preference sheet on what you want it to be stocked with, and that'll get stocked the day you arrive. Okay, so if there's nothing in there, they'll be coming. Okay, so this is just under there. There's nothing in there. That's nothing to show you. They don't just keep it stocked all the time. Water, they don't do bottled water here. There's little water filtered water stations. They leave you a full bottle of blue, and then you get these collectible sport cups. You can take them home with you, but you keep them filled, and you can take them around. You can fill them with drinks or whatever.
And the maid will fill your ice daily and bring you the water there.
Plus the ice is around. There's a water filter station right outside the door, so it's very convenient.
And you'll have a mini bar. The bottles will show up.
Let's just do the bathroom then, we'll show you outside. It's got a pocket like a barn door. And I'm gonna take them in there. It's got really neat tile, swimming pool tile, a rain shower head. It's nice. Tile's clean. I mean, they do a great job cleaning there.
It's got the nice modern drain. And they give you body wash and conditioning shampoos. So ladies, you might want to bring your conditioner and your shampoo if you're not into the 2-in-1. Here's some other products, the Gilchrist and Soames. Makeup mirror. The hair dryer over there on the right.
Coffee machine, coffee, iPad, iPhone charger, and little dock station. And then here this garden view has a view. This room in particular here has a view of the garden and the Oasis Spa and a nice fountain. And you can see this tile work continues out the back, which is nice. This is a mid-sized hotel. I think, what'd you say? Like,
Partial ocean view down there.
yeah, there's the ocean. Yeah, and with our eyes right here, it's much easier to see. Somebody's going up the parasail right now. There it goes. So it's mid-sizes around, right around 300 rooms in the whole property. So it's not. We don't do a lot of giant resorts unless it's a bigger group and all that. We kind of focus on mid-size. You get better service that way. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Couples Negril on Bloody Bay. Sean and Amanda, KVS Travel. Subscribe again. When you call us, you get people who actually travel. You'll make sure the room is done right. Our prices are usually better than anybody else's. Never use internet sites. You never know what you're going to get. You get no service. And when you book direct with resorts, you're booking direct with them. With us, you have an advocate for you. Okay? Thank you, everybody. Do that. There's